In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently edit out unwanted parts from your video using Kapwing. This is a fantastic tool for making your videos more polished and engaging. We'll walk through each step so you can easily follow along, even if you're new to video editing. First, you want to head over to kapwing.com. Once you're there, you'll find an option that says Create New. Click on that to begin your project. This will bring up a workspace where you can upload and edit your video. The interface is user-friendly, making this a great option for both beginners and more experienced users. Next, you'll see an option to upload media. Click on it and select the video you want to edit from your computer. Once it's uploaded, the video will appear on the screen. Now, to start editing, you need to take your video and drag it down to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to make precise edits. After your video is in the timeline, go ahead and play it. Watch carefully for the part where you want to start removing content. When you reach that point, pause the video, and you'll notice a pair of scissors or a split option. Click on it to slice your video at this exact spot. This will become the beginning of your unwanted section. The next step involves moving the playhead, which is the vertical line showing where you are in the video, to the end of the section you wish to remove. Once it's at the right spot, click the split button again to cut the video at this end point. Now you have isolated the unwanted part. With this section now separated, click on the middle clip, which is the portion you want to get rid of, and then choose the delete icon, often represented as a trash bin. This action will remove the unwanted segment from your video. Don't worry about any gaps created, as we'll fix that next. Now, you may see a gap where the clip was removed. Simply drag the surrounding clips together on the timeline. This will create a seamless transition known as a jump cut, making your video flow smoothly from one segment to the next. You can repeat these steps for any other parts of the video where there are pauses or filler words like ums. Once you're satisfied with all your edits, it's time to save the new version of your video. Click on the Export Project button at the top corner of the page. This will process your project and prepare it for download. After it's finished processing, you can go ahead and select the Download option to save the edited video to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully edited your video using Kapwing, making it more professional and precise.